Welcome to Loadbalancer.org. Today, we're going to have a quick tour of some of the key features of our enterprise product. System Overview. This is our System Overview page where you can see all the essentials in one place and gather information on your live virtual services instantly. As you can see, IP addresses, ports, active connections, methods, and modes are all visible without any additional clicking around. The padlock on the WAF service indicates that the virtual service has an associated SSL termination and is a quick link to the modification page. On expanding a virtual service, you can carry out maintenance tasks like draining or halting on your real servers. Here is an example of halting a server. And here it is coming back online. Additionally, you can view individual service connection graphs, see all traffic flows, and observe the state of your real servers. To note, the pencil here is a convenient way of instantly accessing the modification page for your virtual service. Key features. On the side menu, under Cluster Configuration, we have SSL Termination, SSL Certificates to manage server or client certificates, CA families to manage certificate authorities, WAF gateways, and GSLB configuration. From here, you can also modify your virtual services, including ACL rules, health checks, and all other settings. We also have quick access to reports and logs, which are easily viewable along with access to our 5-star support team who are on hand 24/7. So why not give us a try? We invite you to test our enterprise solution with our 30-day free trial to see if our product meets your needs. Remember, if you need something tailored, please don't hesitate to ask us.